today we have 6.2 kg recognition. We have Aditya with us who has reduced 6.2 kgs in just 5 weeks. Let's just give him a round of applause first. Okay. And if you really ask me, you know, this is actually a no excuse result, because in the last week Aditya had to work in the night shift, and he did discuss everything well in advance, and he followed to the dot, and results are in front of you. And he got introduced to this program through his sister, who is also in the OSC and following our program. So over to you, Aditya. Just share your experience. How are you feeling?
First of all, thanks a lot, Privi, for your kind words. Yes, like Privi said, I got introduced to this program by my sister Anuradha, who is already, doing exercises under the mentorship of Privi, right? Okay, so how did I start? Actually, since a couple of years, I had increased my weight a lot. Since I started working actually, and everybody knows how the IT industry works, right? The job profile that we have is very sedentary. We just have to sit and work on a computer or a laptop, right? So, due to which the movement that was happening was very less, and I had started gaining a lot of weight. And I was thinking that I will reduce it, but it was not happening because I did not have enough motivation or anybody, right, to give me a guidance, right? So I was just like, "Yeah, okay, we will do it." But until then, lockdown happened and the movement was reduced to almost 0%. We were only sitting and lying down and doing nothing. And literally, I had gained 20 kgs above my ideal weight. I had even started suffering knee pain, right? So, uh, after the Diwali, my sister Anuradha, she gave it to me as a gift, right? The 21 days burnout challenge. She told me, I have already enrolled it, for you. You have to do it. I don't know anyhow. So I was like, okay, now I have to do it. But okay, it's good, right? I've eaten a lot in Diwali. Now let's burn out some calories. So I took it seriously. Like for a couple of days initially, it was a big challenge, right, to get up early in the morning. So I did the exercise in the evening, right? But then Privi asked me, "Hey Aditya, how it's going and all?" And she told me, if you wake up early in the morning for the exercise, you have already won 50% of the battle. And somehow, I like that, because that was the biggest challenge for me to get up in the morning. But I thought, okay, let's try it. So I stressed myself, and yes, I woke up early in the morning for a couple of days, and I liked it very much. I had never felt so energetic for the entire day. But Privi told me, yes, this is what you have to do. You have already won 50% of the battle. And since then, I never looked back. I have always been, following the routine. I get up early in the morning, and the results are, yes, well in front of you. Yes, I definitely face challenges in, following the meal plan, or, what to eat and what not to eat. Because, yes, you have friends and family with whom you want to go out on every weekend. You want to eat out, but again, I just make sure that I be on calorie deficit, because we already have the meal plan with us. Our coaches, our beloved coaches, they also tell, how much should you eat. So I do eat outside also, but I keep it under control. That is what, the main thing is. And plus the shakes are there. So one meal replacement is there. So that is what I've been following rigorously. I eat less. I drink a lot of water, stay hydrated for the entire day. And I also make sure, I just not exercise, but I keep moving for the entire day, like our coaches tell us. And I think that is also equally important, right? If you're especially on a weight loss program, I think not just the exercise and diet helps you, but the movement that you do throughout the day is also very important. I was like, I was having n number of problems. My skin was looking very dull, like I was looking puffy, and I had gained a lot of weight. But since I started working out, it's been just 5 weeks, and I have been able to reduce 6.2 kgs, and I'm very happy about it. And if I have to tell you the benefits of it, I I cannot count and I cannot, put it in words. There are n number of benefits that I'm getting. I have never felt this much energetic. I don't feel sleepy at all throughout the day. I only sleep during the night, and I'm active for the full day. So it's really good, and I feel I'm lucky that I got this as a gift from my sister, and now I've been continuing, right? Because I don't want to miss this feeling, and I am sure that I have adapted to this lifestyle, and I will be continuing this like forever, because I don't want to miss this feeling. You can already see how fresh I'm looking, and you saw my pictures already, that how much difference it has made by losing only 6 kgs. I have to lose a lot of weight still, but yes, I think I will be able to pull it off with the help of Privy and the coaches that we have, because yes, the right guidance and dedication is what is the most important thing, is what I feel. I am a social media freak. I mean, this is the last thing that I checked lines a few days back, and I really like that. And I think everyone should follow that. The line says like, don't expect yourself to be motivated every day to get out and make it happen, right? Don't count on motivation, because you will not find it every day, but count on discipline, right? So discipline is what I need, and I wish everyone to find your discipline, to get disciplined and follow this journey. Thank you so much.
Many congratulations, Aditya. And one more thing I would just like to say is, Aditya asked last lot of questions, and that is the best way to learn, how to, adapt the good lifestyle. So I think absolutely amazing, and wish you all the best for the next milestone.
Thanks, Preview. Thanks a lot.